What's going on, guys? How we doing today? It's your boy Brap Genius. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about dirt bikes versus cops. So those of you that are subscribed to me, you've probably seen my video Bikes versus Cops, which I was talking about like motorcycles and stuff. Dirt bikes are a different category and I have different opinions on that. You know, I said in my other video I never suggest running from cops. You shouldn't do it. And I still don't recommend that. But I'm going to talk about why dirt bikes are a little bit different than motorcycles. So now, a lot of the dirt bikers, they're kind of jerks about the whole thing. You know, they'll flip off the cops, they'll rev them, mess with them, because they know, you know, as long as your bike doesn't break down, you know, you're making it into the woods. They can't follow you into the woods in one of their SUVs. There's no way that's happening. So that's where the stigma starts to come in for cops. When they see anybody on a dirt bike, they want to catch them so bad, because, you know, there's these arrogant kids that are, you know, doing wheelies past them and, you know, just ripping right by them like they're not even there, paying them no respect, no attention, no mind. So I can understand why cops are pissed. Now at the same time, if you ever get stopped by cops, I always say to just be respectful. No matter what. I don't care what you did. If you're being pulled over for something stupid, just be respectful, because if you didn't do anything wrong, then, you know, there's no point in you getting pissed off and, you know, telling off the cop, and now he's gonna look for a reason to give you a ticket when he might have just wanted to see what's going on. You gotta understand, cops are trained to, you know, look past things that look normal. So if you're hanging out somewhere, it looks sketchy, you know, they're gonna ask what you're doing. Don't be a jerk about it. Just let them know. And always, in most situations, you gotta tell the truth. And a lot of the cops, you know, whether you think so or not, they do understand what you're doing. They understand when you're on a dirt bike, you're just trying to have fun, and a lot of cops ride. You know what I mean? So for you to just get, you know, super pissed and tell them off for no reason is just not going to work. Now, those of you in other states, it's a different story. You know, I'm sure you have your own situations. But here in New Jersey, there's literally nowhere unless you have private property where you can ride and have a good time. Legally, if it's illegal for you to ride in your own state, the state is supposed to provide you with 2 or more free riding parks that you can go to and have a good time. So you see all these videos of people wilding out on dirt bikes, you know, running from the cops, and it's cool, but like I said, they don't show you the times when they get caught or really hurt or messed up. So I know a lot of people are not gonna like that and think that's stupid what I'm saying, but it's the truth, yo. Stunting for what? But yeah, guys, so that's gonna do it for this one. Thanks for watching. As always, have a great day. Peace.